Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the EA app if it is not opening on Windows 11. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Services. Open the Services app from the search results. Now scroll down the list until you find EA Background Service. Once you find it, double-click on it to open its Properties window. In the Properties window, look for the Startup Type option. If it is set to Manual or Disabled, click the drop-down menu and change it to Automatic. This allows the service to start every time Windows starts. Next, click Apply to save the new setting. If the Start button is available, click it to start the service immediately. After that, click OK to close the Properties window. Now go back to the Services list. Right-click EA Background Service and choose Restart. Once the service has restarted, close the Services window and launch the EA app again. Thanks for watching.